Hi, welcome back to Yummy with Mommy. Today we're making fish tikka, and you can see here we have 4 tilapia fish. So before we do anything with the fish, we first need to make our marinade. So let's look at how to do that first. So to begin with, we will start with 2 tablespoons of green chilies, which is basically green chilies blended in water. 2 tablespoons of green chilies, followed by 2 tablespoons of dana jeera, followed by 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, followed by a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 full lemon, which we will freshly squeeze into that bowl. That's the second half, and we want to make sure we get all the juice out. Followed by 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of oil, and we're using canola oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and then we'll mix everything up just like this, and this will be our paste for the fish. So take your time to mix everything up so that it's not chunky and clunky. Make sure everything is a consistent paste, and make sure all of these ingredients are well mixed. Okay, so next we will be marinating the fish. We'll be showing you how to do that with the paste we prepared earlier. So you take about a teaspoonful at a time and simply use your spoon to rub the paste along the fish. And one thing I forgot to mention is we've made some small slits on the fish so that the marinade, the paste, is able to seep in, so that all the flavor and goodness is able to seep in and you don't lose any of that flavor when you're grilling the fish. So important to do that just as we have done here. So take your time with it, spread the marinade all over the fish, being sure to have the paste enter into those slits as we've shown you. We've made similar slits over here on the other side. And take your time to do each fish very thoroughly. The better you do this, the more tasty this recipe will turn out. So as you can see, that's 1 fish here. We'll show you how to do another, and then you can, when you're trying out this recipe, you can do the rest for yourselves. So as we're ready to barbecue, we'll be adding each piece of fish into this grill, and this is what we'll be placing on the barbecue to cook. So here, as you can see, we have the fish on the grill, and we've been cooking it for about maybe 7 to 8 minutes now. We've flipped it once, and if you have a similar device like the one we have where you can put your fish, this would work best so that the fish doesn't break and fall into the grill. And we'll show you what this looks like after it's cooked and ready. So this is what the fish looks like after it's been grilled on the barbecue, and it's now ready to be served. Try this recipe out and let us know how it went by leaving a comment below. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.